picked up this lash primer. This is from Maybelline. It's the Lash Sensational Sky High Tinted Primer. Here's what it looks like. I have reviewed the Sky High mascara, of course, in the waterproof version. You know, we do waterproof on this channel. I really love this mascara. So I have tried primers before, maybe like once. I'm not going to say I tried a lot. It like messes up my mascara. Like if I get a curl with this, it'll just leave them like flat, they won't curl. I don't know if this primer is going to do that, so let's test it out. I will apply the primer on one side to see, and I will put the mascara without the primer on the other side, and we'll see what happens. It's supposed to give you extreme length. Flex Tower brush picture. The picture is very promising. This is in soft black, number 810. I'll leave it listed in the description if you want to check it out. I really hope this works. I like that it's tinted. This nice white packaging. Here's the mascara. You don't have to use the mascara from the same line. I just happen to have it. I hope there's still a nice amount in there. I will also leave the playlist of all the mascaras that I have reviewed in the comments. I'll pin it. There's also a playlist in the description if you would like to check it out if you're obsessed with anything lashes, okay? That's the reason I don't have eyeliner, so you can see the mascara really well, because otherwise I always have my liquid liner. By curling my lashes, I always do this, so I'm using the same routine as I usually would. First of all, let's look at the wand. There you go. Wish me luck. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, I will get closer, but right now my lashes feel like super long. I feel like my curl dropped. I don't know if I should try to curl it again before I apply the mascara. Length is definitely there. Like, you see that, right? You see that. Then, if this drops my curl, if when I apply that mascara I can't get a curl, then this is a no for me. Because the reason I use waterproof is because it helps me obtain my curl. Doesn't apply to you obviously if you already have curled lashes, or if your lashes curl super easily that you don't even need a lash curler, then this is not going to be a problem for you. I don't know if I should do another coat. I don't think so. It's just a lash primer. Usually would not go and curl them again, especially with like a wet product. Like if I apply mascara, I don't curl them in between my coats, okay? I know some people do that, but I don't. I'll try. I'm just waiting for it to dry a bit. I'll curl it. No. 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 That did not curl my lashes at all now. And then with the mascara, exactly the same. I'm just gonna go right in. You can't say the product doesn't work. It's talking about length, extreme length. Yes, it's giving extreme length, but I don't know. I'm even trying to like push them up. Maybe for us girls that have a really hard time with like getting your lashes to curl, a primer's just not for us. It doesn't mean the primer doesn't work, because again, what the primer is claiming is definitely doing. You can see it well. They do look very pretty. Now my lashes are sticking together because of this primer. That's why I don't like to curl my lashes after I put the product. I do it before I apply like mascara and stuff. You ready? Here it is. I'm going in with the mascara and no primer. So can you please see the difference? Like right away, you see how curled this lash is, right? You see the difference, how curled this is, and this one is just like longer. So it all depends your preference. The lash primer does work, but if you like your lashes to curl and you have a problem with it, this might make it even harder. So you see, which side do you like more? Do you like the longer look? You don't care about the curl? Or do you prefer to have a nice curl? I mean, they still look long, right? You see that? So unless like a magical primer comes out, I don't think lash primers are for me. Let me know if you've used it. The product will definitely make your lashes much longer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.